Okay, good morning class.
Good morning.
How are you guys? Are you guys fine?
Yeah.
You don't look happy.
We are fine.
We are fine, we eat.
Oh, what did you eat?
Oh, porridge with Mary.
Oh, you guys are eating nice. Okay, let's start with our lesson. But before we start, we need to do a quick recap on our previous lesson. You can tell us what did you talk about yesterday?
We talk about assembly.
Assembling?
Oxy-acetylene.
Ox-acetylene. Okay. France, what did we talk about? What are the steps?
The steps. You must make sure that the cylinders are well fastened on the drawing.
Okay. Michael, what is the next step?
Connect the regulator.
Connect the regulator. David?
Yeah, before connecting the regulators, you have to plug in first.
Okay. Now today, we are going to talk about how to cut with ox-acetylene. Okay? Yesterday we spoke about the setting up or the steps. Now today we are going to talk about the how to cut using ox-acetylene. Okay? Okay. So, who can tell us what is ox-acetylene?
Oxy-acetylene is a combination gases of for acetylene and oxygen.
What do you use ox-acetylene for?
We use it to weld and to cut the metals.
Use it to
Cut and weld.
cut
And weld.
and weld. Okay, why do you think we need oxy-acetylene? Why do you think it's important in when it's coming to our industry boiler or in the water industry?
It is important because it will make our work easier.
It makes our work easier. Okay? Any other idea?
It's good for heavy duty work.
It is
Good for heavy duty work.
heavy
Duty
duty
work.
work. Okay? Any other idea? Huh? It cuts any types of metal. Okay? Alright. So at the end of this class, every student, you are expected to know how to cut using ox-acetylene. Okay? How to set it up, how to use ox-acetylene, following the right step before cutting any metal that you would like to cut. Okay? Okay, can you guys come close? Everyone come close. Make sure you give each other space. And here I'm going to show you. So we are going to follow the steps that we have spoke about. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Which one we have? Which one is acetylene and which one is oxygen? No. The question is which one is acetylene and which one is oxygen?
This is acetylene in the short one. And the tall one is oxygen.
How do you differentiate them
In colors.
in colors? What color is what is your color?
Acetylene is maroon and oxygen is black.
Oxygen is black. Excellent. Okay. Since we have learned about our steps, what first step? What do we need first? What do we need to do first?
Because we need to open cylinder scale.
Which one? For oxygen?
As for acetylene.
For acetylene. Exactly. So we open our acetylene gas, and then we go to oxygen. And then from here, David,
Then you adjust the regulators.
you adjust the regulators. So you adjust the regulators.
For the right pressure.
Whether this one depends whether you are cutting, you are heating, or you are welding. Okay. So for us, we are going to adjust it on cut. Okay. We are going to adjust it on cut, and then the same as when it's coming to oxygen, we adjust it there, cut, and then from there
Test for leakage.
for leakage. Why do we have to test? Why do we have to do this?
To make sure that there's no any leakage.
Okay? Can you just put that? And how do you pick up this leakage? How do we know that there's a leakage on our case?
If there's a leakage, it's make a bubble.
The bubbles will
Bubble develop.
The bubbles will develop. Exactly. Here also? Okay. Doing this, do we have any leakage?
No.
We don't have any leakage. What is our next step?
is to set up the frame.
To set up the frames. Okay. Now setting up the frame, we need to move this side. Okay? Since we did all the steps there. So, if you have the same head like me, don't laugh me.
Like me.
Like me. So you ensure that this is how you put your pipe. This is to do what? This is to avoid your pipe being here, and when you are cutting, the sparks are falling on the pipe, and then it might damage the pipe. Okay? Can we have the spark light, please? Okay, just hold on. First, we need to and ensure before you to make sure that you clean your nose. Can we have a nose cleaner, please?
And if you are cleaning, you should face down.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Hurry up, please. Why do we have to clean our nozzle cleaner? Why do we have to clean our nozzle?
For the particles.
So if you didn't clean it, what happened? What will happen?
It will not cut nice.
Cutting will not take place.
Cutting will not take place.
Yes.
It can take place, but
Not the way you prefer.
not the way you prefer. Okay. I think it's okay. We open first. Acetylene. Can we have our spark light, please? Okay. Sorry? I need gloves. Can I have that, please? Here.
And take one.
Oh,
It's more.
this thing is
It's fast and
it's faster. How do you adjust our flames? Ensure that the blue light should be like this. Is it okay? Okay. So you first need to, what you first do?
preheat the
You
metal.
preheat. You preheat your metal until it gets red. You preheat your metal until it gets red, and then you cut. Slowly by slowly. Okay? So, and then you switch off your valves. Now, I want you to do the same thing that we did, following the right steps. Here is your homework. Class activities that you need, following the steps to set up oxy-acetylene and using the nozzle, the right nozzle clean, cut the 50 milliliter by 100 plate of 5 millimeter thickness. So you divide yourself into groups, you cut. Who is marking, you divide. Who is marking, and the person who is marking is not the person that is going to cut, okay? You have 2 minutes to do this. You have 2 minutes to do this. Divide yourself into groups. Which one is group 1 and which one is group 2?
This one, group one.
I'm going to take
Okay, group 2, you should start marking already also.
Okay.
I can give you can take this. Start marking.
Only $1.
Yeah.
I want to make everyone should take part. Everyone should take part. Everyone should take part. Okay. Group 1, who is cutting?
Same is cutting.
Okay. Group 2, who is cutting?
David is cutting.
Okay.
We are with native.
Okay. Who is cutting? You make sure that you explain to us what you are doing. We don't just want to see you doing what we don't know what you are doing. You ensure that you explain what you are cutting. Okay? Okay. Can we all pay attention, please?
First, I must make sure that I have my full PPE. Then I try to make sure that I set up the light frame.
What do you look at when you're setting up the light frame?
Look at the cones and the oxygen then.
How does the oxygen get to? Which one is oxygen and which one is
Oxygen is the blue one.
okay?
Oxygen is the acetylene.
How does one know that the frame is ready to cut, right?
It must have a tearing sound.
Okay? Okay?
First I preheat metal. Till it gets red.
Until it gets red. Exactly. Excellent.
After that, shivering.
Where are you shivering?
It's so good.
Are we all watching? Okay.
I think another is different.
Group 1, can you please help? Help here. Group 1. Okay. Do we have water? Group 2?
You need water.
You explain to us you only have 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
I get 2 minutes. First, before switching on the show, you have to turn on acetylene first. Thank you. Then you turn on the oxygen.
Can't hear you.
You turn on oxygen so you can adjust the flame.
Okay.
So that it comes,
Can't hear you.
so that it comes out.
Okay.
Okay, let me just start.
Can't hear you.
Let me just start cutting.
Then you start cutting. Okay.
Do it.
Yeah.
We all see what happened. Group 1, can I have your practical? Group 1, can we have your practical, please?
Yes.
You put your full metal in hot water. Sorry, cold water. Okay? Okay. This is group 1. This is group 1. This is group 2. Group 1. Can you judge group 2? Can you mark group 2? Let's do it fast.
Yeah.
Okay? Group 1 this side. It's a bit work. What step did they fail to do? 30 seconds? Group 1?
They did not hit it.
They did not hit it there. Okay, group 2. Judge group 1.
Group two, come check.
Group 1. Group 1. You failed one step. You did not clean your nozzle, although your cutting is not that bad. Group 2. You cut. And then, what was wrong? The flame. Okay? Okay? We ensure that we do that next time. We improve. Okay? Okay. So, we have homework. What did we talk about when we concluding our class? We spoke about the steps of setting up acetylene, which is number 1.
First
When you are cutting, David?
Yeah, and then you must connect the regulator, sir.
Okay. So, I'll leave you with the homework. You read on page 11 on the textbook metal fabrication, the topic, the category of fabrication machine. Okay? Okay? Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
Okay, miss.
Enjoy your day. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, miss. We cut those.